Hi, today in front of me HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's open the box. We can see here the SIM eject tool first. In this paper box we can find some paperwork like the warranty cards, quick start guide and safety guides, the protective silicone case, the clear one. So let's use it. Also we can find here the USB Type-C cable and the super charger brick, the original HUAWEI charger brick with all of the specs. So that's it, that's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.